Now, Thailand, though, has confirmed a second case of the mysterious coronavirus that first appeared in China's Wuhan city last month. This comes as it steps up checks on visitors arriving from China. Officers say there's no official outbreak, or there's no outbreak in Thailand, and they're very confident of controlling the situation. Saksitha Sombat with more.
According to a statement by Thailand's Public Health Ministry, the second patient is a 74-year-old woman from Wuhan in China, and she has been detected on January 13th at Bangkok's Suvarnabhumi airport with very high fever, 38 degrees Celsius, and pneumonia-like symptoms. But she has been put under isolation, but she's already responding well to the treatment, according to the health officials here. Now, this comes after the first case that has been reported earlier this week in Thailand, which is also the first case of the Wuhan coronavirus outside of China. Similar circumstances as well. It is also an elderly Chinese woman here as well, 61 years old to be precise, but she is already well reportedly, and it's just a matter of time until she's ready to go home already. Now, obviously, with the Chinese New Year just around the corner, Thai health officials remain on high alert. In the first 2 weeks of this year, they have already checked 86 flights from Wuhan in China, all in total a number of 13,624 passengers. They have found 21 suspected cases, but they only turned out to be the seasonal flu. 12 of these people have been already discharged. Tourism remains a vital economic factor here in Thailand, even though arrival numbers have slightly flatlined in the past year. Nevertheless, it is expected that hundreds of thousands of Chinese tourists come here to Thailand for the Chinese New Year, and that's why the Thai health officials have ramped up health monitoring, health checks at several major airports here in Thailand. They include Bangkok's Don Mueang and Suvarnabhumi Airport. They include Chiang Mai in the north of Thailand, as well as Phuket and Krabi in the south. Now, the Public Health Minister, Anutin Charnvirakul, he said that there is no outbreak here in Thailand, and he also says the fact that they have found these patients with the Wuhan coronavirus is proof that the system they have put in place here is indeed working. Saksitha Sombat, CNA, Bangkok.
Reports of patients suffering from a mysterious illness in Wuhan emerged at the end of December. The outbreak was linked to a seafood market in the city. But even after the market was shut on January 1st, new cases of the virus appeared. More than 40 cases have now been diagnosed in Wuhan. On January 9th, Chinese health authorities said they'd identified the cause of the outbreak, a new coronavirus from the same family as SARS. 2 days later, the first death was reported. A second death was confirmed early today, and earlier this week, the first case outside of China was reported in Thailand, followed yesterday by another in Japan. Experts are still trying to understand how the virus spreads. Officials say the risk of human-to-human transmission is low, but possible.